A Portmore family and the St. Catherine South Police have been plunged into mourning.
The grief follows the drowning of 3 people, a police constable attached to the Portmore Operations Branch, a teen boy and a woman.
Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
From the break of dawn on Friday, determined members of a search party fanned out along the Sandhill Beach and in the Caribbean Sea that kisses the St. Catherine coastline. Their objective was to find Constable Shamar Grant and a teen boy. The two were swept up by the Caribbean Sea after a day at the beach went horribly wrong. It is reported that the teen boy got into difficulties in the water when the constable tried to save him, but also encountered problems. 2 other females who were also in the group then tried to help. One of those females detailed the chilling moments when all 4 persons nearly got swallowed up by the sea.
So I asked my sister to hold out her hand for me, and when she was about to hold out her hand, she made a step forward to me and the current took her. So my intention was for her to hold my hand and was spread out and make Grant hold on for my leg, and she pulled me up. That didn't work in my favor, and the current pulled all 4 of us far into the ocean. They were all screaming, shouting help, and I screamed and I shouted to them and said, "Keep your heads up, keep your heads up, I'm coming, I'm going to get help, keep the heads up."
Her sister was later taken from the water, but was pronounced dead at hospital. Her teen brother and Constable Grant have not been seen since. The lone survivor of the ordeal told us the rush on the more popular bathing spots in Portmore on New Year's Day took the group to the Sandhill Beach.
Hellshire was really packed, so we were not finding any spots there for us. So we went into that secluded area where we would normally go.
Now by late Friday afternoon, members of the search party and colleagues of Constable Grant began to gather at the victim's house in Waterford in Portmore. Hopes of recovering the 2 missing persons have dwindled with each passing minute, but the colleagues are clinging to hope. The St. Catherine North and South Police, Marine Division, Jamaica Defence Coast Guard and local fishermen have been assisting in the search. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.